बिजनेस, ट्रेड, कॉमर्स, इंडस्ट्री, ये सब क्या होता है और एमसीक्यू में कैसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. स्टिक अराउंड बिकॉज इन द नेक्स्ट फ्यू मिनट्स we'll break down the key concept from chapter 2 business activity. Test your brains with these MCQs that will boost your score instantly. Let's dive in.
Today's chapter is chapter 2 of commercial studies, that is business activity. Question number 1. Business is essentially concerned with option A, social satisfaction only, option B, regular production and distribution of goods and services to earn profit, option C, performing charitable services for the society, and option D, employment opportunities only. So what would be the correct answer? The correct answer will be option number B, regular production and distribution of goods and services to earn profit. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि बिजनेस जो है उसका मेन पर्पस होता है प्रॉफिट अर्न करना बाय प्रोवाइडिंग गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज.
So question number 2 is assertion: business always involves production of goods and services, and the reason is without production business cannot exist. Options दे रखे हैं. Option A, both A and R are true. R explains A. Option B, both A and R are true. R does not explain A. C, A is false, R is true. D, both A and R are false. करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या होगा इसमें? The correct answer is option number C, because business also involves distribution, exchange, commerce, not just production. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a characteristics of business? Option A, profit earning, option B, risk element, option C, salary, and option D, regularity of dealing. The correct answer will be option number C, salary as return. This is a feature of employment, not business. Question number 4. Which of the following correctly matches types of industry with its activity? Primary industry, software development, secondary industry, mining of coals, tertiary industries with banking, and manufacturing industry with fishing. The correct answer is option number C, because tertiary industries provide services. Option A, primary software development. No, this is the case of tertiary industry. Secondary industry, mining of coal. The correct answer will be primary industry. Mining of coal related होता है मेरा primary industry से. Manufacturing related with fishing. No, fishing is related with primary industry. So the correct answer will be option number C. Question 5th is related with assertion and reason. दे क्या रखा हुआ assertion में? Primary industry is called backbone of all industries, and reason क्या दिया हुआ है? It provides raw material to secondary industries. Both A and R are true. R explains A. Both A and R are true. R does not explain A. Option C, A is false, R is true, and option D, both A and R are false. So the correct answer will be option number A, because primary industry को backbone of all industries कहा जाता है, and primary industries also provides raw material to secondary industries. So both are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next, question number 6 is, which industries convert raw material into finished goods? Option primary, tertiary, manufacturing, or extractive industry. Correct answer will be option number C, manufacturing industry. Question number 7. Transport, communication, banking are part of primary, tertiary, secondary, or extractive industry. The correct answer will be option number B. Because ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, कम्युनिकेशन, बैंकिंग ये सब सर्विसेज हैं और ये कौन प्रोवाइड करता है? टर्शरी इंडस्ट्रीज. Question number 8. The main purpose of commerce is A. Provide employment. B. Remove hindrance in exchange of goods and services. Option C. Increases production only. Option D. Reduces risk in business completely. So the correct answer will be option number B. Remove hindrance in exchange of goods and services. Next, question number 9. Hindrance of place is removed by banking, advertising, transport or insurance. Which will be the correct answer? Option number C. Because transportation removes hindrance of place. 10. Hindrance of knowledge is removed by A. Warehousing, B. Advertising, C. Insurance, D. Communication only. Correct answer will be hindrance of knowledge कौन remove करता है? That will be advertisement. So the correct answer will be option number D. Question number 11. Assertion. Warehousing removes hindrance of finance. Reason is warehousing provides storage and also issue warehouse receipt which can be used as collateral for loan. Option A, both A and R are true. R explains A. Option B, both A and R are true but R does not explain A. A is false, R is true. Both A and R are false. Correct option will be option number C. Warehousing removes time hindrance, not finance, and finance is solved by banking. So the correct answer will be option number C. So A is false and R is true. Question 12. Internal trade refers to option A, buying and selling within the national boundaries. Option B, buying and selling between two countries only. Option C, selling goods in the international market only. And option D, import and export together. Option number A, buying and selling within national boundaries. That is related with internal trade. Next, question number 13 is a wholesaler mainly serves as a link between option A, manufacturer and consumer. Option B, manufacturer and retailer. Option C, retailer and consumer. And option D is government and producer. So the correct answer will be option number B. Wholesaler serves as a link. किसके किसके बीच में लिंक करता है? मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड रिटेलर. मैन्युफैक्चरर से होलसेलर सामान लेता है एंड देन ही सेल इट्स टू रिटेलर. Question 14. Assertion. Retailer provide goods to final consumer in small quantities. And the reason is retailer purchase in bulk from consumers and sell in smaller lots to wholesaler. Option A is both A and R are true and R explains A. Option B, both A and R are true but R does not explains A. Option C, A is true, R is false. And option D is A is false, R is true. तो कौन सा आंसर होगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 का? Option will be option number C. A is true, retailer provide goods to final consumer in small quantities, but reason is wrong because retailer buy from wholesaler and sell it to the consumers. Question number 15. Which of the following is correctly matched? Option A, import, selling goods abroad. Option B, export buying goods from abroad. C, entrepot importing goods for re-export. And option D, domestic trade, exchange between two nations. The correct answer will be option number C. इंपोर्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? बाइंग गुड्स फ्रॉम अदर कंट्री. एक्सपोर्ट का मतलब होता है सेलिंग गुड्स टू अदर कंट्री. डोमेस्टिक ट्रेड का मतलब क्या होता है? विद इन द सेम कंट्री. बट इंटरपोर्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? इंपोर्टिंग गुड्स फॉर री एक्सपोर्ट. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. विच एड टू ट्रेड रिमूव हिंड्रेंस ऑफ रिस्क? वेयरहाउस, ट्रांसपोर्ट, इंश्योरेंस और एडवर्टीजमेंट. The correct answer will be option number C. Insurance removes the hindrance of risk. Next, question number 17. Which is not an aid to trade? Banking, transport, retailing, advertising. Correct answer will be option number C. Retailing. Because retailing is part of trade, not aid to trade. Question number 18. Assertion. Advertising is an aid to trade, and reason is it helps in communicating information about products to consumer and removes hindrance of trade. Option A is both A and R are true, and R explains A. Option B, both A and R are true and R does not explains A. Option C, A is false, R is true. And option D, both A and R are false. Correct answer will be option number A. Both A and R are true and R explains A. Next one is question number 19. Which of the following combination correctly pairs aid to trade with hindrance it removes? That is, which hindrance it removes. Option A is warehousing, hindrance of finance. Option B, banking, hindrance of time. Insurance, hindrance of risk. Advertising, hindrance of place. What is the correct answer? And the correct answer is ऑप्शन नंबर सी. बिकॉज वेयर हाउसिंग किससे रिलेट करता है? हिंड्रेंस ऑफ टाइम से. ये हिंड्रेंस ऑफ टाइम से रिलेटेड होता है. बैंकिंग किससे रिलेटेड होता है? हिंड्रेंस ऑफ फाइनेंस. एडवर्टाइजिंग इज रिलेटेड विथ हिंड्रेंस ऑफ knowledge. So the correct answer will be option number C. And the last question is the most comprehensive term which includes industry, commerce, trade and aid to trade is option A, employment. Option B, economic activity. Option C, business. And option D, profession. Which one is correct? The correct answer will be option number C, because business includes industry, trade, commerce and aids to trade.